Welcome to this short video on legend by category. The legend by category command allows you to create a legend of all the different families that you have in your model. Now to demonstrate this, we're going to come up here to the Cadpro Toolkit ribbon, and I'm going to select legend by category. Immediately I get an error. It's telling me I need to have a legend view. So I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to come up here to the view, and I'm going to go to legend. I'm going to create a legend view. I can set the scale, give it a name. I'm just going to go OK here. Now, if I go back up to the Cadpro Toolkit ribbon and I select legend by category, I'm going to get another error. I need to have at least one legend component in this view. So I'll cancel this. I'll come up here to the annotate. I'm going to go to component and I'm going to go legend component. And it doesn't matter what you put in here. Just pick one item and escape. So now I have a legend component in this view. So now the command will work. So now if I go up here to the Cadpro Toolkit, I'm going to go legend by category. The dialog box comes up. Inside here you got your legend category, so I can go in and pick whichever family I want. So I'll leave it on walls right now. I can include unplaced objects. I'm not going to do that. Here you got the option on how you want your legend to appear, so a horizontal or vertical legend. Your view, so right now I've just got two. I got a floor plan and I got a section. The family you're going to use for this legend. And then available parameters. So this is showing you all the different parameters that are available to you for that particular family. So I'm just going to grab a few things here. I'm just going to grab 5 things, and I'm going to go add. So I can add these into the selected parameters. Now up at the top we got sorting and grouping. So I can sort by and say maybe I want to sort by the length. I can sort ascending, and I can group similar items. So for instance, if I've got 8 walls, basically the same type of wall, I don't want to see it 8 different times. Just show me that wall and let me know that there's 8 of them. I can rename the column headers, so these are what's going to be shown in my legend. I can also move things up and down. All right, I'm just going to go OK. And there you can see now the legend. Okay, well, maybe I don't like the look of it. Definitely don't like the keynote in there. So I'm going to come back up to the Cadpro Toolkit. I'm going to select legend by category. And in here, you can take things out of it. So maybe you've got your keynote here. I can remove that one. I don't want that one in there. This learning content, possibly. Maybe I want to change this to a vertical grid. I'm going to go OK. It's going to go through and update this. And there's my legend that's been updated. This concludes this short video on legend by category. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.